Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your GoDaddy website builder with PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website builder if you have not already. So what you can do is go to godaddy.com and from there go ahead and open up your dashboard. From this dashboard we can find all the sections we can use for editing our website, and as you can see here we have the edit option that's going to enable us to open up our website in editor mode. Once you open it up in editor mode, it's going to look like this. From here you can get started with managing your website. As you can see at the right side of the screen, you have your website, site navigation, and so on, and you can get started with setting it up. So you can see we have the store section right here in the feature categories that you can go ahead and check out. What I cannot go ahead and show you right now exactly is how to go ahead and add a new section, because this requires a premium plan. So if you have a premium plan, as you can see, it's being offered right here for me to update your premium plan. You are going to go ahead and be able to add new sections and new options into your website directly from website editor mode. So here you're going to have all the options you can add, and from there you're going to go ahead and be able to have the online payments option that you can drag directly into your section. So just like that, you can create a new page from where you can manage your online payments. One of the options is going to be PayPal, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.